The way customers find your business has completely changed. If you are still using 2024 or 2025 tricks, your customers simply cannot see you. You have become invincible to the people who want to buy from you. Today I'm going to show you 8 trends that will make you a leader in your industry instead of someone just trying to catch up. Number 1, stay on the platform. Stop trying to send people to your website immediately. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook want users to stay on their apps. If you post a link to leave their app, they will hide your post. Instead, use automated DMs. Ask people to comment a word and have a tool like ManyChat. Send them info directly to their DMs. Keep them happy and the app will show your content more. The brand story strategy, the human connection. In a world full of AI-generated content, facts are cheap, but stories are valuable. Many brands fail because they are trying to be the hero instead of making their customers the hero. The hero is your customer who has a problem. The guide, that's you. You have the empathy and the authority to help. Give them 3 simple steps to follow. Stop talking about how great you are. Start talking about how you can help them win. A clear story is the only way to cut through the AI noise. 3. Search everywhere optimization. Google is no longer the only king. People use TikTok to find products and ChatGPT to find advice. So use your keywords everywhere in your video captions, the text on the screen, and even what you say out loud. This helps every app understand and rank your video. Fix the AI mess. Many teams use AI to write everything, but AI often hallucinates. It makes up fake facts. This destroys your trust. Use AI for the first draft, not the final work. Always have a human check facts. Use AI for ideas, but use your brain for the final decision. Become an AI authority. ChatGPT and Gemini recommend trusted sources. They love lists, so create top list for your specific niche. For example, top 10 bakeries in London. Also, try to get other websites to talk about you. When others vouch for you, AI recommends you. Live video is your superpower. In a world full of AI-generated content, people crave real humans. Go live once a week. It doesn't need to be perfect. Answer questions and show your face. This builds deep trust that a robot cannot copy. Long-form videos is making a comeback. Short videos like Shorts and Reels are good for views, but they are bad for memory. Research shows that people remember long videos 10 times better than short ones. Don't just make 15 to 30-second clips. Make 10-minute videos where you teach something deeply. Shorts get people to see you. Long videos get people to trust and remember you. Global reach, no more language barrier. Language is no longer a barrier. AI can now change your voice into any language perfectly. You can now use multi-language audio on YouTube. Your one video can now reach people in Spanish, French, or Hindi using your own voice. You can grow a global brand from your desk. When you follow this plan, you stop reacting to changes and start leading. You won't be scared of AI. You will use it to reach thousands of new people. Your next step now, don't try to do all 8 at once. Start with trend 1. Stop posting links and start conversation in the DMs. If you want me to help you build this strategy personally, reach out to me at the comment section below and let's talk. The future of marketing in 2026 isn't about the loudest voice. It's about being the most helpful and the most findable. So don't forget to share with somebody in need and see you in the next video.